John, this sport is clear. Alessandro, uma desculpa se ela então, eu quero botar foto de português. Suma prata pona, tá por uma banda. Tá com os olhos lá. Olha, só sai não, se quer lá. Esses segundos não tem nada. Olha, só por lá com data, lá se for com os olhos, já vai aqui para tudo. Tudo por
A few moments later.
Come on. Mosen. Mosen taon. Mosen sa aton yung taon. Okay, taon. Kandun. Taon. Ning. Taon. Kumay makamakapelele. Yang angay. Yang angay. Yang angay. Paso. Yang angay. Rodoni. Toy. He. Someone. Intwenin. Taon. Natatandon. This is Jim. That's Jim. That's Davis.
Hello everyone, Ganuchi Sanok and welcome to my channel. So that was a man who was seen on camera holding a gun, robbing a church. The incident happened this past weekend at a church in Samora Machel, Cape Town. Apparently 5 men barged into the church, including that man that is now confessing. They robbed the church of its equipment and the congregants of their personal belongings during a church service. The police have since arrested 5 men between the ages of 27 and 39 yesterday morning. According to the police, some of the items that were taken during the robbery were recovered during the operation. The suspects are facing charges for business robbery and the possession of stolen property. Yo, the guy greeted so nicely like he wasn't going to do something terrible. Molweni, right, niyazi bakuzokwenza kantoni mos. Esin, hi, are you good? You know what's about to happen, right? By the way, the person that was playing the piano should be arrested maybe for 30 minutes because the music was horrible. Anyway, do let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.